This is Dan at Icebreaker, and this is how you use multiple profiles. Now, when you first sign up, you'll get one profile, which is your primary. You can edit this as you want, but you can also create additional profiles that let you reveal different information depending on where you are or what you're doing. Simply navigate to the bottom and tap New Profile. I already have a bunch of others that I've created. For example, I've created another profile that I've labeled VIP, and this has a calendar link that has expanded access to my calendar. And by the way, these labels are private only to you. I also have a profile that I use for conferences. So when I go to each conference, I can tag all the people that I've met at that conference with this conference profile. And I have a profile that I use when I'm hiring for different roles that has more information attached about the company and the job role. And the power of this is that when I make connections in my story with those connections, it stores the profile that I used to make that connection. In this case, I gave them my primary, and in this case, I gave them my VIP profile. And that's it. That's how you use profiles.